In this video, we're going to show you to install mirror caps on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, located on both exterior mirrors. Now, we went ahead and folded the mirror here inward. I'm going to put some tape here to protect our finish. Now there's a series of three little tabs underneath here. We can pinch in on the side here and get this cover to come out. And we just popped one of those clips. And come on over to our trim tool here. As we're trying to slide our plastic trim tool here, the tape is rubbing through, so might need a little bit more. Sometimes your cap will pop right off. Other times it might be a little bit more challenging. There we go. We got our cover popped off. Now, when you're replacing your mirror cap, you either want to dress it up with the chrome covers or yours are broken. So when we pulled ours off, yes, we broke the little tabs. It is not critical to the operation of anything, but we do want to make sure that we have everything in place here. Now at this point, we're going to be installing the new cover. It is safe to remove our tape because we're not going to be scratching anything here. Now on our mirror caps, we have 5 points of engagement, 3 across the bottom, 2 up here, and they're going to line up into our little locking tabs. Line this up. And just gently squeeze it in. Take a look at the inside, make sure it's seated properly. Open it up, check around the top. And there it is, fully secured. Let's go ahead and repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.